Hey MB crew, so we're going to jump right in. So my hair is already moisturized and everything like that because I've been wearing it out in the Afro. So I'm just going to part it down the middle. I'm going to be doing one of my favorite hairstyles today, and I will not be adding any hair. So I thought you guys would like to see it. So I'm just going to part my hair straight down the middle. I'm gonna go in with some olive oil eco styler gel, and I'm just gonna put that on the front section. Now here's the thing, you don't want the gel to touch the ends of your hair because you do not want it to shrivel up, especially like with my hair being short, honey. We need all the length out of our ponytail that we can get. Make sure you just focus the gel on the base, okay you guys, because you don't want your hair to shrink up, because you know how our hair will do, it will shrink up. So that's just what I'm doing here, and I'm just brushing my hair up and brushing my baby hair out, because you already know I'm gonna lay those on down. So once I gather the hair and get it all smooth how I want it, I'm going to use a thin hair tie, you guys, not a thick one, because like I said, you don't want to take away from your puff at all. And then I'm just going to puff that out, and I'm literally going to do the same thing on the other side of my head. I know y'all saw that I did leave some hair out on my sideburns for my curly cues, because you already know, got to get my curly cues on point. So I got that puff all situated how I want it, but the other one just wasn't in the right position. So I'm going back to take it out and position it a little bit higher, because I had it sitting back a little bit too low. Now we're going to work on our curly cues, so I'm just going to add some of the Eco Styler gel and twirl the hair around my finger to get it to curl up. So I'm done doing my curly cues. I'm going to go in with the Edge Booster Pomade. And if you want extra hold, you should lay your baby hairs down with gel first and then go on top of them with the edge control. But I'm just using the edge control because it works really well for my hairline. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm getting them all sleek and slick, okay? Y'all know how I do. I'm going to go ahead and put on my scarf so I can lay everything down and get it all situated and together. You know, I'm fixing my puffs, making sure I like how they look. Kept my hair tied up while I did my makeup, and now I decided to go ahead and add a bandana for like a little added touch. So here is like an up close and personal look at my baby hairs and my little puffs. They are just so cute to me, you guys. I love them so much. This is definitely one of my favorite natural hairstyles. And I was like, let's do it without weave. You know, my hair is growing, so let's see what's popping. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. And I will see you all on my next one. Bye!